Today's recipe is going to be incredibly delicious and crispy, something everyone will love. To make this dish, we'll be using some simple yet flavorful ingredients. We'll need 2 eggs to give it the perfect binding, and 1 kilogram potatoes as a creamy base. Along with that, we have a carrot and some parsley to add natural sweetness and freshness. Butter, onions, and 2 cloves of garlic will enhance the flavor, while 50 grams of cheese will make it rich and delicious. We'll also be adding 4 of our favorite sausages to take the taste to the next level. For that perfect crispy texture, we'll use breadcrumbs, and to fry everything perfection, we'll need vegetable oil. In addition to this, we'll be preparing a creamy and flavorful sauce made with sour cream, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, some dill, a tablespoon of mayonnaise, and a pinch of salt and black pepper to balance the taste. All these ingredients come together to create an irresistible combination that will make every bite absolutely delightful. Since this is a detailed recipe, the video might be a little longer, but trust me, it's worth it. I'll be guiding you through each step so that you can get the perfect results at home. So stay with me till the end because I have some great tips and tricks to make this dish even more delicious. Let's get started.